To make this oil, make sure that you wash the turmeric and carrot to avoid contaminating the oil. Turmeric is a wonderful spice that has anti-inflammatory properties. It will help to reduce any red blemish from your skin. I'll be using carrots, which I've already washed and peeled. I'll be using grapeseed oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, but if you have sensitive skin and you don't want oil that will clog your pores, use grapeseed oil, rapeseed oil. You can use almond oil or even sunflower oil. It all depends on you. So I'm using turmeric. If you like, you can scrape or peel the turmeric depending on what you want. Or if you don't have time to peel the turmeric, you can just use it like that. Make sure that you wash and dry it to avoid contaminating the oil. You can decide to use more turmeric depending how you like the oil. I'll be using a grater to grate it into smaller pieces. I'll quickly grate the turmeric. You can cut it into smaller pieces depending on what you like. When I'm done grating it, I'll be grating the carrot. I'm using one carrot which I've already peeled, washed. So I'll quickly grate the carrot. Carrot is a powerhouse for glowing skin because it contains beta-carotene, which will help to slow aging, and the vitamin A in carrots will keep your body tissue healthy. Carrots also contain vitamin C, which will help to stimulate collagen production. The turmeric can stain your grater. That's why I grate it before grating the carrot so that it can clean it. Then you can quickly wash off to avoid staining it. Then here is my clean jar. I'll be adding a good amount of grapeseed oil. Then I'll be adding the grated turmeric and carrot into the oil. When I'm done adding it, I'll make sure that you mix If you have any liquid content from the carrot or turmeric, but my own is clear, so I'm going to store it in container. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.